This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube video not downloading problem in just a few simple steps. This is one of the most common issues many users face, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to download your favorite videos without any hassle. First thing you need to do is check your internet connection, open your notification bar, and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Keep in mind that a weak or unstable connection can often prevent videos from downloading properly. Once you are sure your internet is stable, go ahead and refresh the YouTube app. This ensures the app is up to date with the latest content and settings. Next, you will be on the YouTube homepage. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right to open the settings menu. Inside settings, look for the data saving option. Click on it and make sure to turn off data saving mode, because this mode can sometimes block downloads. Additionally, check the option for download over Wi-Fi only. If you want to download videos using mobile data, make sure this option is disabled. Also, enable unrestricted mobile data if your device has this option. This allows the app to use mobile data without restrictions, making downloads faster and smoother. Once all these settings are adjusted, go back and open your downloads section in the YouTube app. Now, try to download your video again and it should start without any errors. If the issue still persists, there are a few extra steps you can take. First, clear the cache of the YouTube app from your phone settings. This removes any temporary files that might be causing the problem. Make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can sometimes create issues with downloads. Finally, if none of these solutions work, consider restarting your device, as this can fix minor glitches and refresh your system. By following all these steps carefully, you should be able to fix the YouTube video not downloading problem quickly and easily. Now you can enjoy watching your favorite videos offline, anytime, anywhere. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they don't have to struggle with download issues either. Happy downloading.